Beautiful interiors are born in beautiful minds and created by the skilled hands. If you're planning to build your home into an elegant place, look no further. Woodmax, the foremost interiors people, have arrived in Mangaluru. Whether it is exquisitely designed homes or tastefully done up business spaces, Woodmax are the people to come to for customized interior solutions. We provide end-to-end solutions to make all your dreams come true with interiors that surpass even your wildest imagination. Our secret of success lies in in-house expertise. Spearheaded by professionally trained interior designers, Woodmax looks upon every new assignment as a formidable design challenge. We study every aspect of your requirements in depth and create unique solutions that are tailor-made to you. Creative talents in our design studio conceptualize the look and feel of your space, while experienced hands in a sophisticated production facility work on the best of materials to make the concept a reality. From luxurious living rooms and dining to cozy bedrooms to fantabulous kitchens, we embellish your interiors with the right looks, furnitures and furnishings along with complementing exterior landscaping. We keep pace with latest advances in ideas and technology to deliver world-class interiors that you will be proud to own. Whether it is residential spaces like homes, apartments and villas, or commercial avenues, shops and showrooms, or offices and malls, or hospitality ventures like hotels and restaurants, we give you unmatched quality and superb finish, and always delivered on time, and backed up by an impeccable reputation for being one of the leading interior people in Kerala. Woodmax is now all set to beautify homes and interiors of Mangaluru. We have played a key role in enhancing and enriching a lifestyle of dreams through our customized interior manufacturing unit. We are equipped with the most sophisticated European and Taiwanese technology and machines. The state-of-the-art factory spreads over 5 acres of land and is located in Cheruvattur, Kerala. We maintain the highest quality standard, which includes certifications from both central and state government. Welcome to a futuristic world of Woodmax. Sai Arya Building, Bypass Road, opposite Ganesh Medicals, Pamphil, Mangaluru, Karnataka. NH17, Padennakad, near Nehru College, Kanyanad, Kasaragod, Kerala.